Welcome back to our Mustang restoration project. We're bringing new life to this classic Ford, one panel at a time, from rust to restoration. Every week we cut, weld, and rebuild this legend piece by piece. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we turn this tired old Mustang into a show-stopping classic. Last week, you saw us take on one of the more challenging parts of this Mustang restoration project, the rusty sections around a rear window. After carefully cutting out all the bad metal and welding in new panels, that area is now completely rust-free and ready for final finishing. It's a huge step forward because this is where rust often hides and causes serious long-term damage if not treated properly. Today, we're moving on to something just as important, the trunk area. Over the years, moisture and dirt had completely eaten away parts of the trunk floor and the surrounding panels. Our goal is to bring this entire section back to factory-fresh condition, using brand new sheet metal throughout. Before we started cutting, we measured and marked everything carefully to make sure the new panels line up perfectly. Accuracy is key here. If you're off by even a few millimeters, the fuel tank or bumper might not fit correctly later on. Once the old, corroded metal is cut away, we test fit the new pieces, trimming and shaping them until they sit exactly where they should. Then, we mark all the welding points and use heavy-duty panel clamps to hold everything tightly in place. With the welder set up, we start tacking the panels, checking alignment as we go, and slowly stitch everything together to ensure a strong, clean weld. After a few hours of careful work, the transformation is incredible. The entire trunk floor and surrounding structure are now completely new. It's solid, straight, and ready to support the fuel tank once again. This is a major milestone in the build. The Mustang's rear end is finally taking shape again. Next week, we'll move on to fabricating the rear panel, the part that holds the taillights and bumper. We'll remove all the remaining rusty metal and replace it with fresh steel, getting one step closer to having this classic Mustang back on the road. If you're enjoying the project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,